Hello everyone, my name is Deependra Kumar and I am going to teach you about Zoho Books. So in this video, we are going to learn how to adjust inventory in Zoho Books. So first we need to understand why we need to adjust the inventory or item. So suppose in your godown you have the record of 10 item, but at the physical counting date you identified that you only have 8 items at your store. The reason is that two items are stolen. So now we need to record these two items as stolen. So we will adjust this item into Zoho Books. So first let me tell you how we need to adjust. This is just example. There may be some discrepancy. There may be the item or inventory has been expired, or there may be loss by fire or any other loss due to which our inventory has been reduced. So now let's understand how to adjust the inventory in Zoho Book. This is the Zoho Book dashboard. Here if you go to item, click on item. Here you can see I have AC 10 quantity and ceiling fan 3 quantity. Now when I go to the physical verification, I identified that I only have 8 pieces of AC. So now I need to adjust this inventory. For this I will go to the inventory tab. Here you can see this is inventory adjustment. Click here and you can click on new adjustment, or you can click on this plus icon, or you have other option also. You can click go to item, click on AC, and here you can see adjust stock. So we have three options to adjust this stock. I will go to inventory and click here. Now we have two options in adjustment. First one, there is a quantity adjustment. For example, we have recorded 8 AC, but in physical counting we identify we only have, for example, if in our item list, see here, we have 10 AC, but we during the physical count we identify that we only have 8 AC. So here our quantity has been reduced, so we will use quantity adjustment. But if we have total AC of 10, but the value of those AC has been reduced because of the technology development or any other reason, then we will go to the value adjustment. So I will guide you for the both. First I am going to the inventory adjustment, quantity adjustment. So here is the date. You can select any date, account, region, for example, where stolen goods, damaged goods, any other region, the item for which you want to adjust. I am taking AC. Quantity available, here it's available is 10, and how much we actual have, so I will select 8. So it will automatically minus 2, adjust, and here you can add reporting tab if you want, and if you have any document you can upload here and convert to adjusted. Once you click convert to adjusted, you can see the item stock in hand has been reduced to 8. Okay, now I will tell you how to adjust quantity, sorry, value. So again go to the, but currently see we have the price of 35,000, it is the selling price, and we have 20,000 purchase price. So now let's adjust the value. Here we click on the value adjustment, date, cost of account, region, anything, stolen stock write off, or inventory revaluation. Here click on the item you want to adjust. AC, this is the current price 1,60,000 because we have 8 8 quantity of AC. 8 into 20,000 rupees, which is the purchase price, is 160,000. Now I want to change it. I will change it to the 1,50,000. Okay, so you can see my value of AC has been adjusted by 10,000 rupees. If you want any reporting tag, you can adjust the reporting tag. And if you have any if you have any document to upload, you can upload and convert adjusted. It will automatically adjusted. Okay, it is done. So if you want to delete this entry, you can delete it from here, or you can just go to here, select this, and you can delete from here. Okay, now this is how we adjust the inventory. Our class end here.